Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use the tool construction object. To use one, go to edit ribbon and click on the icon construction object. Let us see one by one. First, let us begin with line. Select the required snap setting in prior and select the first point and the second point you want to draw the construction line. Select the line to load its property on the right side. Now let me change the magnetic property to yes from drop down and click modify to apply the changes. When this function is on and if we move the line to any position, any member touching the construction line also moves along. Here, let me move the construction line to some distance on z-axis. Note, the member along with the construction line also is moved on the z-axis. We could change the color of the construction line by modifying the color in property dialog box. Giving value to extension will extend the construction line from both the work points. You can change the line type to any format available from the drop-down. After changing the properties, select the member and click Modify to apply the changes. Now, let us see the other options available in the construction object. Next one is plane. Select the icon, the start point, the midpoints, and the middlemost button to finish the command. The magnetic property is similar to that of construction line. Next one is the construction circle. Select the icon and select the midpoints and the radius of the circle, or type in the radius to draw the circle. Select the circle to modify its properties from the options available. Next one is the arc. Select the icon and click the center point of the arc, then the start point and the end point of the arc. Next icon is for polyline. Select the icon and select the start point, midpoints, and click middlemost button to finish the command. You can control the nodes of the polyline drawn by using direct modification, and the shortcut is D. Drag the midpoints to include a new node, or select the node and click delete to delete the nodes. The last option available is offset. Select the icon and type in the values you want to offset the construction object, and then select the construction object you want to offset and click the direction of the offset. That's it guys, we have seen all the options available under construction object. See you at next session.